What's going on, you guys? It's George. Welcome back to my channel. Or welcome to my channel. Today, you guys, I'm sharing with you a TommyHilfiger.com experience. I personally never shopped on Tommy's website before. I know it's a little crazy, but I'm the type of guy that likes to go in the store, try things on, visually see things like in person, and then make my purchase. But due to the whole virus and stores being closed down, I caved in and shopped online. Now, unfortunately, things were delayed with the whole situation, so I finally got my package, and I have 4 things here I'm going to share with you guys. This is not a huge haul, but they are statement pieces. Also, I want to acknowledge the Black Lives Movement. What is going on in the world right now is historic, and change is going to happen. Right now is a perfect time to use your voice and let everyone know that we are all in this together. And if you don't take this matter seriously, then this is not the channel for you. I received an email from Tommy last week saying that they were temporarily closing their doors to mourn the loss of George Floyd. And I found that to be absolutely beautiful that large corporations and companies are acknowledging the change in the movement that's going on. Also, Tommy left a quote, which I find to be pretty inspirational. It says, "To achieve change, we have to be fearless in speaking out and standing up for what is right." Tommy Hilfiger. Love that. And I appreciate that he is contributing to the acknowledgement of what is going on right now and the justice that needs to be served. So just want to make sure I acknowledge this situation, guys, and let you all know that I am here for everyone and we're in this together. But if you guys are interested in my unboxing, then keep on watching. You guys, I'm so excited to finally have new Tommy products in my collection. As you guys can see, this is just a little slice of what I have going on for my Tommy collection, but I seriously have been debating. I've been like back and forth on their website of making purchases, but they had like a nice sale going on for what was just some holiday that just happened. Was it Labor Day? No. Memorial Day, that's it. I always forget that holiday. But they had like a nice sale going on, and I figured, you know what? I'm gonna make a purchase. So I did. And I picked up some things, guys, that I feel like are pretty cool pieces. And 2 of them being something that I actually wanted for a very long time. 1 of them being something that was just like, all right, this is on sale, cool. And there is the first thing, you guys. I'm gonna break down each piece here and actually go by name of what they are because I'm just crazy like that and I like to know what product is what. So here we have, this is a duffel bag. This actually goes by the name of Logo Tape Color Block Duffel Bag. So originally this was $48.50. I got it for $19.40. So that is quite the steal. And I never owned a Tommy duffel bag. I always seen them on like vintage shops and Urban Outfitters, but I want one for myself. This is way tinier than I expected, though. Did not realize it was going to be this small. Okay. Actually, it says here it was $54.99, so I don't know what the website was saying, but I would never pay $54.99 for this. This is super tiny, but again, it's like a cloth material. It does have like the tape strap. You know what? This is actually gonna be a nice piece to like bring on like a day trip or something like that. Yeah. The inside is just basic. All right. You know what? I'm not that disappointed because again, like I have my big duffel bags I could bring when I go on like trips or stay over places. This would be good for just like a one-night stay someplace or like a day trip again. So it's not that bad. But again, I'm happy I got that on sale because I'd be really disappointed if that was like full price. So we'll split this up now with a shirt that I got. All right, Tommy, keeping things on the hanger. Cute. This is just a basic Tommy tank top. Guys, in the summer, I practically live in tanks. So I figured, all right, this is a simple looking tank. Gonna get this. I'm kind of shook they kept the hanger on it. That's a little funny, but it's gray. Love that. And this is called the Signature Lounge Tank. I think this is a part of their like sleepwear, but like this is too cute to wear like just to bed. So it says Tommy Hilfiger right down the sides. Both sides, and it's like cotton. But I got a large because I like my stuff to be a little more flowy and comfortable and not so like muscly fit. So love this. This was actually $28 and I got this for $9.80. Kind of crazy. So we love that. Next, I got a hat, and I was just saying a couple days ago because I wear a decent amount of black. Surprisingly, because I have 4 cats in the amount of cat hair that's in my house, but I love the color black. So I was like, you know what? I don't have a black Tommy hat, and that's a shame. So I needed to get one, and luckily this was on sale, and I got this for dirt cheap. That feels very nice. It's a little heavy. This is definitely gonna be a heavy hat, so wearing this in the heat might be an ish. But this was $9.80 as well. Originally, this goes for $29.99, so quite the steal. Love this. I like how the back, it's adjustable, number one, which is very important for me because my head's kind of like abnormally small, unless my hair is huge. And yeah, I'm loving this. It's really cool. It's like the Tommy logo right there. This is beautiful. And it's a nice shade of black too. It's not like a satin finish or anything like that. It's just like a very minimal, sleek, classic black. Love. Now the last piece, guys, I have never really celebrated Pride. Like I never went to a Pride festival. Obviously right now, 2020, Pride is not going to happen. There's more important things going on. But I still wanted to do my justice and due diligence and acknowledging Pride. So Tommy has a Pride collection, which is pretty sick. And last year I got something from 𝗀𝗄𝗄𝗜, Pride oriented. And this year I got a Tommy Pride fanny pack. How cool is this? It's cloth material. I wish this wasn't white because white and me don't really go well together. But this is super unique because as you can see, the strap is the Tommy logo, but on the opposite side, it is the rainbow. So for LGBT, love. I think this is gonna be a beautiful and very unique and fun piece for the summer. And I like how it's adjustable. What I like to do with my fanny packs is actually wear it as a like crossbody. So that's gonna be fun to wear just like around. Oh my God, that is so sick. Isn't that cool? I love this. And of course, this was actually full price. I didn't get a discount on this, but doesn't say the price on there, but online, this goes for $44.50. Again, I mean, for the right cause, I'm not upset that I paid full price for this. Plus, this is gonna be like a special edition piece to add to my Tommy collection, so love. As you guys can see, I have tons of Tommy like bags back here. You can't see that, but there's quite a bit. You guys, even the tag has the rainbow on it. How cool is that? See how this looks on the inside. Just basic on the inside, nylon, which is good because that's going to clean easily. But it's a good size, guys. I'm happy I have this, and I'm happy with all my purchases. All total, the amount that I spent at Tommy was $103. You had to spend $100 to get free shipping, and of course I was like, the amount of shipping that it would have cost if I didn't spend $100 was like, I think $13 or something. So you know me, I had to take it there. But I'm very happy with all my purchases. And also, guys, if you love Tommy Hilfiger, please follow me along on my YouTube journey. I have tons of Tommy videos. I will link them all down below in the description box if you guys want to check those out. But there's like typically monthly 1 or 2 Tommy videos on my channel. And yeah, I also was informed a couple days ago that my local Tommy Hilfiger has opened. And again, it's been months since COVID-19 and everything has been going on. I'm excited. I'm not one of those people that are gonna rush into shopping since things are opening, just because, you know, the whole virus was serious, guys. I don't want to be dumb to it. I don't want to go rush to bars or anything like that. So when it comes to going to a store, I'm still gonna take my time. Let me also acknowledge this shirt, guys. First off, I love a nice oversized flowy button-down shirt for the summer, for any time actually. It's just my style. And this is a 3-toned Tommy plaid shirt. So I'm in love with this. Like, look at the colors here. We got some blue, we got some green, we got some rojo, and I'm just like loving the dimension and everything about this shirt. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna wear that in a video. I hope you don't mind, but this is a beautiful piece. Probably like one of my favorite Tommy pieces I've seen. It's cute, right? But that is it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'm so happy to be finally having new Tommy products in my presence and adding more stuff to my collection. But again, if you guys love Tommy Hilfiger, please hit the subscribe button, notification bell. I would love your company. My Instagram is right here at 𝗬𝗏 if you want to follow me on there as well. But until next time, say thanks, give compliments, and think positive. And I'll catch you in the next video. Bye guys.